Okay. Still in, you know, 11 out of 10 pain, but at least it's arm day. So that'll get me today. And depending on, whatever I do tomorrow, hopefully it's not back or legs. Some more time to heal and recover. I've been dealing with it ever since I've been in the Marines. So hopefully, get on my stuff and I get it fixed soon. But as of right now, I'm just cooked up. But anyway, so not really gonna do a lot of talking today. I'm gonna just go with the flow, keep it super simple, fairly heavy, and just go along with what I can really actually do, optimal, um, keeping my injury and stuff in mind because I'm still in pain right now, throbbing pain actually. So hurts really bad, but we're gonna start with some curls. So let's go ahead and do that, and then see where it takes us from there. So. Let's drop set it. It's time to move on. Just like that. Enough said. Let's go ahead and throw on some more black metal. And then I'm thinking I'll see how I feel. That is not helpful for my back, but whatever. Let's go ahead and just lower the weight a little bit. We're done over here. Next victim. All right, well, this was the only preacher curl machine that they had. We'll make it work. I mean, it's not bad or anything. I was just looking to do the one where you don't have plates. You actually have the machine. But this will work though. So let's grab a couple of 45s. Well, we should be able to. We should be able to, but if we don't, um, it should be fine. But we should be able to. We should be able to do this. It's only 90 pounds, so um, let's go ahead and press resume on that black metal real quick and get in the zone, auto zone. No, I'm just playing. Anyways, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. So, I'm gonna put that seat down a little bit. I'm gonna try to hit that again. And actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to add on a 10 so we can even that out. Well, yeah, even it out. So, saw a guy rip his forearm on one of these before, or not his forearm, his like his thumb and his freaking index finger, just freaking rip it straight in half doing this. And I don't know how that happens. Like it's, I mean, guy was moving like a lot of weight. I mean, I guess I could see how it could happen. Yeah, if you got a really good grip strength, and you, oh, holy shit, that's really that's really stressful on the bones. I'm like, I kind of want to do this, but I mean, whatever. But yeah, I mean, I guess this is good for like, your lower forearm. Well, I'm like moving this back every time I pick it up. So, I mean, I guess when he put it down, he just did this. See, he just did this, and then he didn't let it go like this. He just did that, and yeah, I guess he was going for another rep. But yeah, just straight, just like ooh, it was it's a crazy sight. I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, so I think I'm gonna do a few reps on this. I'm not gonna go too crazy. Um, and then after this, we'll probably go back to some triceps. And then, well, after this, we're gonna go back to dumbbells and do it my way. So after that, then we'll probably go back to some triceps, maybe to some biceps again, and then work her out of here. So it's good, but let's go back over there. Just gonna hit it like this. Last thing will be here. This will be our hammers, you know, with the rope, and then our last set of triceps. Well, I don't know why I put that on the ground. Oh. Oh. Okay. All right, let's go.